Welcome to our channel. Today we how to lock and unlock your PNC debit card, mobile app guide step by step clearly. Open your PNC mobile app on your device. Log in using your username and password. Once you are logged in, locate the menu icon, typically found in the top left or bottom right corner. Tap on the menu icon to open the navigation options. Look for the Accounts section and select it to view your debit cards. Find and select the debit card you wish to lock or unlock. You will see options related to card management. To lock your card, tap on the Lock Card option. A confirmation message will appear on your screen. Confirm that you want to lock your card by selecting Yes or Confirm. Your card will now be temporarily locked. To unlock your card, return to the same Account Management section. Select your locked debit card again. This time, look for the Unlock Card option and tap it. A confirmation message will pop up for your unlock request. Confirm your choice by selecting Yes or Confirm. Your card will be unlocked and ready for use. Always ensure to check your transaction history for any unauthorized charges after locking or unlocking your card. If you encounter any issues, contact PNC customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.